Hello everyone, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be building another road vehicle here, and we're going to be doing this FedEx delivery truck. And it's a pretty straightforward build. This is what it looks like here. So let's get right into it now. So we're going to start off on our front wheels, so take out a block of coal. We'll put a block of coal, 2 polished diorite slabs on the upper hip box, and a block of coal. Then a stone button on either of these wheels. In front of it, we'll put 4 polished diorite slabs across the front here. Then we're going to do a smooth quartz on either side with glow item frames. In the middle, 2 sideways smokers. On top, a smooth quartz stair on either side, and in the middle, a crimson stair and a mangrove stair. Then we'll come down behind this on the upper hip box, and we'll do a line of 7 polished diorite slabs coming back. And we'll go ahead and make that 4 wide to fill in the bottom of the truck here. Behind this, we'll do a block of coal on either side again, 2 slabs in the middle, and a stone button on each of these wheels. Then behind that on the upper hip box, we'll go back to polished diorite slabs, and we'll do 3 more rows of 4 back here. Then on top of the back, we're going to put a smooth quartz block on each corner and 2 upside down smooth quartz stairs in the middle. Then 2 smooth quartz on either side here and here, and an upside down smooth quartz stair above each wheel. Then 7 smooth quartz on each side, and then an upside down stair facing outward above each of these front wheels. Then we'll come on top of this and do a full line of smooth quartz up here to the back. Same thing on this side over here. Then we're going to come back up front here behind these stairs, and we're going to put 4 black stained glass blocks coming across right here. Then a black stained glass pane behind it on either side. Then behind that, we'll do a full row of smooth quartz on each side and bring it down to the back. Then we'll come up here. We're going to put a white stained glass pane on either side of this windshield. And then under each one on each side, we'll put a lever going up into it. Then take out acacia button, 1 on the corner here, 1 here, 1 on this back corner, and 1 on this back corner. Then come up here on top of the windshield, put 4 smooth quartz stairs. Then once again, we'll do a row of smooth quartz blocks down each side to the back, and this time we'll put 2 on this top middle. Then in this gap, put 2 doors. Then we're going to come down inside here, and we'll fill the whole bottom of this in with netherite. Then we can put netherite under the windshield here. Right here, put a stair for a seat. Then 2 deep slate brick walls here for a divider. Then fill this with some random chests and bookshelves to look like all the packaging. Then come up here, and we'll put a fence gate down here for the steering wheel and a lever. Then we'll go ahead and fill the rest of this roof in with smooth quartz blocks until it's all filled in here. Then come down back here, put a glow item frame on either side like this. And then we're going to come in and grab a mangrove button and a skeleton skull. Put a button above each item frame. Then on this top left corner up here, a skeleton skull. Then we'll come up here. Over on this side right here, put a skeleton skull right here. And then 1 here. Now come up here, across the bottom here, we'll put 4 birch signs. Then come around the corner, a sign here, skip the wheel, and a full row of signs across here. Then skip this wheel, 3 signs here. On the back, we're going to put 1 sign here, then 2 warp signs in the middle, then a birch sign. Then come around the corner, 3 here, And then come all across here. And one up in this corner here. Then come up under this window. We'll actually change this to a regular quartz block to outline the door. And same thing here, and actually we'll do the block below it as well. And change this one down here to regular quartz. Then we're going to grab a polished black stone button here. And put a button on the door here. And on this side. Then on this other side here, put a birch button right there. Then we're going to have to make some banners. So we're going to come into a loom with a white banner and purple dye. Vertical on the left, horizontal on top, horizontal in the middle, and then horizontal on the bottom. New banner. Vertical on the left, horizontal on top, horizontal in the middle. New banner. We're going to make the bottom half purple, vertical on the right. New banner, this time with red dye, vertical on the left, horizontal in the middle, horizontal on top, horizontal on bottom. New banner, a diagonal, and the other diagonal. Then go to white dye and put a white border on every single one of these. Then we're going to come place these. So we're going to come one block from the end up here. And we're going to put Fed in purple and X in red. And of course do the same thing on this side. And I realized I spelled it wrong there. I ended up fixing that later. Make sure it says FedEx. Then come back here and put a white stained glass block on each of these 2 item frames back here. Then we have to make one more banner for the headlights here. So we're going to be coming into a loom with a black banner and yellow dye. Make the top half yellow. Then go to orange dye, horizontal on bottom. Go to black dye and put a border on it. And this will be for the headlights. So we'll come up here and put one on either of these item frames up here. And actually this don't look quite right, so I'm going to change these 4 stairs up here to smooth quartz slabs. And that looks a little more correct here. And here's where I realized my spelling error and had to fix that here. Now it's correct. So there we have it, folks. We've completed our FedEx delivery truck here. I hope everyone enjoyed this little build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, everyone.